So today was a great day for this entire community, the SouthCoast community, where we're announcing our DEA 360 program that we're bringing here. 360 looks at the entire community in terms of enforcement, drug diversion, and community outreach, which to me is really the most important part. New Bedford in this area was selected because as we look at our headquarters level at some of the CDC data and some of the things that are most impacting a community, like overdoses and overdose deaths, we know this area has been ravaged by it. Similarly, we had this program unveiled in Manchester, New Hampshire in 2017, where we had tremendous success. Some of the highlights there included the nation's first ever Youth Opioid Summit, where we partnered with the Mark Wahlberg Youth Foundation, and we brought together 8,500 middle and high school students to deliver them a very critical message, but do it in an uplifting way. And we also challenged those kids that day to join us, to be upstanders and not bystanders with this problem. And the children there responded. I think that's one of the things that we'll see here. We talked a lot today about partnering with some of the great people in this area, and you heard from them, some of them here today. In terms of enforcement, we're going to buckle down and we're going to focus on those violent drug distribution networks and gangs that are tearing apart the fabric of our community. But more so, what we're going to focus on is our community outreach. We're going to partner with local coalitions and schools and try to deliver a very important message. Some of the things I said today is when we talk about addiction, sometimes we focus too much on somebody that's battling this disease on their worst days and not enough time on their first days. And that to me is most important. We need to catch our children younger than ever before. Prevention is different than it's ever been before. We need to have open dialogue so they understand exactly how dangerous that first illicit use is.